I'm Becky, and this is Corbin. Welcome to Baking with Corbs. Today we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip.
When we make chocolate chip cookies, we just kind of like to make sort of a batter, and then we add a whole bunch of different stuff in, whatever we have in the house. So today, first thing we're going to do when we make chocolate chip cookies, actually the first thing we're going to do is wash our hands. Okay, now that we have our hands good and washed, what's the second thing we do when we bake cookies?
Preheat the oven to 375.
Oven preheated to 375. Okay, after that, the first thing we do is cream the butter. Butter. So this is a half a cup of butter. Corb's gonna put that in the mixer. Okay, so we've mixed it for about 2 minutes, or we've creamed the butter for about 2 minutes. It's pretty fluffy now. We think we're ready to add the sugar. Okay, so next we're gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar. And a half a cup of white sugar. We like to use organic sugar, but you don't have to use that.
You can use actual sugar.
Now we're gonna put it back on the stand mixer and whisk it up again. Whisk it up again.
Oh, I think you're whisking it.
For probably another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, we're giving it a quick scrape, and then we'll probably quick sweep, and then we're going to whisk it for another minute or 2. Looking good. Good job.
Whittle now.
Okay, so the butter and sugar are pretty nicely creamed together. Next thing we're gonna do is add 1 egg. We like to crack an egg into a little bowl, then in case there's any shells we can pick them out, and then we dump it into there. Just like that, like a true pro. You look like you might need to wash your hands after that. We're gonna dump the egg into the batter.
Oh, I like that noise.
Again, more whisking. Okay, so we're happy with our mixedness. Corbs is going to take the batter, take the bowl off, and we're gonna add in some flour. So we're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of flour.
Have you heard the joke about the pizza?
No.
That's mine too cheesy.
Okay, so now we're gonna also add a half a teaspoon each of salt and baking soda. Some recipes call to mix the dry ingredients separately and then mix it all together. We can't be bothered to do that, so we're just gonna mix half a teaspoon of each and just sprinkle it over the top and then kind of mix it in and call it a day. I love salt, so I usually double the salt in the recipe. I like a hefty half teaspoon. This will give me some salty stuff.
And good stuff.
Okay, and half a teaspoon of, nope, didn't do it correctly. You want to make sure you sprinkle that all over so it's not in one big clump.
Okay.
So that's baking soda. Okay,
No,
so
that's not baking
the next
powder.
part is kind of the hardest part for Corbs. It's mixing all this in. He's going to start, I may end up having to help him a little bit. Okay, so it took a little elbow grease and a little bit of time, but we got it all the flours mixed in. I had to help Corbs a little bit. You want to show them how it looks? There it is. So the next thing we're going to do is add a bunch of different things in. So I'm going to pass them to Corbs. You tell them what we're adding. We like to, as a general rule of thumb, add about a 1.5 cups to 2 cups worth of add-ins.
Craisins?
First thing is some craisins.
Then some oats.
Then some oats.
And then some coconut. And then some kind of seed.
Sunflower.
She doesn't even know. And then pumpkin.
Pumpkin seeds.
And then the best part about chocolate chips.
All right, so start mixing that up, babes.
Oh, this is the hard part.
This is another hard part. I'm gonna help him with this part too.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. We will see. Forgot there's something else we wanted to add. It is
Sprinkles.
sprinkles. We have lots of sprinkles and we like adding sprinkles to cookies. Corbs is gonna add some green sprinkles to these.
They were from when we made St. Patrick's Day cookies.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna finish stirring this, mixing it together. Okay, so we have some well-mixed batter. Corbs is pretty good at scooping these into little balls, but to speed it along, I'm gonna scoop them into balls, and I'm gonna do little scoops, and he's gonna shape them into balls. So I'll just
At least try.
dump out little ones,
Probably 4.
4 long.
We got these nice pans.
We got these big pans so we can fit lots. If you ever see these giant pans, you should buy some.
So now we're done with scooping, so we'll put in the cookies. These. And go. That's good.
And now we're gonna set the timer for 9 minutes.
We're all set.
Okay, the timer is 9 minutes has passed. Corbs is gonna take these babies out of the oven.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot in there.
And then we'll put this on there.
We'll put this here, then we'll give
Last
them
time
the
I made cookies, I almost killed me because I put them there.
It's true. Okay, so they've cooled on the pan for a couple minutes. Now we're gonna put them onto the drying rack.
Can we have one?
Yeah! Cheers. Oh, they're hot, but they're also no fruit. Thanks for watching.
Cookie